So now in this video, that is video number 10 of coordinate geometry, we are going to solve last two questions, question number 11 and question number 12, right? So these questions are similar almost, but little bit things have been changed in this, right? They are again similar to the trisection formula. In old book it is not there. In new books, two more questions are there. So, Harshit, did you got this? No. Where you stop? Equated? Okay, listen now. So the question is, find the point A when C divides AB in the ratio of 2:3. So there is one line made by A and B. A, x comma y not given. B coordinate points have been given to you. B are given as, okay, minus 5 by 8. They said that this line is divided by C in the ratio of 3 points are also given, 3 comma 6, and divided in the ratio of 2:3, right? So you should find out Ax comma y. Clear? Earlier what happens, A and B will be given, C you will find out always, right? Now C and D given, A we should find out. So again we are going to do equating the corresponding parts. Clear, right? So formula you write down, same formula, m1 m2 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m1 m2. That you carry on as it is. Here you write down the formula. Now see, here what should come? 3 comma x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m1 m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, right? So here m1 is to m2 how much? 2:3, right? So m1 is 2, m2 is 3, 2, 3. Now see here, this you take x1 y1, this you take it as x2. So what is our x1? m1 x2. What is our x2? Minus 5. What is our x1? X only. x1 will be x. You also listen carefully. It is there for you also. m1 y2. What is our y2? 8. y1 y. So now you simplify as much as possible right now. Plus into minus, minus. 2 5 are 10. 3 into x, 3x by 5. 2 into 8, 16. Plus 3 into y, 3y. By 2 plus 3, 5. Now we got like this. We need x and y. So we should equate corresponding parts. Equate corresponding parts. So 3 you equate with minus 10 plus 3x by 5. X coordinate you equate with x coordinate. Y coordinate you equate with y coordinate. Getting idea? Right. So x I'm equating with x. Here I'm doing y. What is y here? 6. Here 16 plus 3y by 5. Clear? Now in the next step, what I do? I'll just solve first one here, then second one I'll continue there. First we'll solve this one. 5 will go here. 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Numerator will remain as it is. Minus 10 plus 3x. 3 into 5, 15. Minus 10 plus 3x as it is. We need x. It is on right hand side. So keep it on right hand side only. Clear? So I'm keeping 3x there only, minus 10 I'm bringing here. Okay? Getting idea? No, 15 plus 25, 10, 25. It's equal to 3x. This 3 you bring down. So x is equal to 25 by 3. It's obviously not divisible. So leave it as it is. Clear? Right. Now another part we'll do. This 5 we will send here. 6 into 5 equal to 16 plus 3y. Now 6 into 5, 30. 16 plus 3y as it is. 16 will come this side. 30 minus 16 is equal to 3y. 30 minus 16, 14 is equal to 3y. I need only y, so 3 I am sending here. 14 by 3 is equal to y. So therefore, ax comma y is equal to 25 by 3 comma 14 by 3. Is it clear? Getting idea here, everyone? Understood? Right. Okay, all of you sit. Again, if you repeat now, you say no. Yeah. Understood, everyone? Govind, take the chair and sit here. Take one chair and sit. Don't open the door now. Yeah, clear with this? Arshit, now understood? So, what you have to do only, after applying the formula, equate the corresponding parts. Right? Already 2-3 problems we done, equating. Yes. Minimum 2 I think. Right? So, it is also similar. In one of the question we equated only x parts. Ratio M1, M2 we need. Yes. And another question we equated both. Here also we equated both. So that means what it says, sometimes we may have to equate only x part or y part. Sometimes we may have to equate both. It depends on question. Getting with it? Don't keep a blind belief that we should always equate both. Most of the schools will say that to equate both. But it's not necessary to equate both always. Getting my point? That depends on question. Which type of question we are getting. Getting with this point all of you now? Right? Okay, so once observe it for 2 minutes everyone. Yeah, so now the last question is, the line segment AB meet the coordinate axis. Very important question everyone. And even both of you listen. Jabali, very important, coordinate axes have been used. See here, the line segment AB meet the coordinate axes in points A and B. That means there is one line segment AB, right, which is meeting coordinate axes. फर्स्ट लिखने की जल्दबाजी रहती है या इसलिए पता हमारे यहाँ से कोई आईएएस नीट ज्यादा सिलेक्शन नहीं होते. ऐसे ड्यू अप्रोच सही होना चाहिए लाइफ में. गेटिंग, आप बड़े अमीर खानदान से आएंगे, राजाओं के खानदान से आएंगे. अभी देखो राहुल गांधी है तो खानदान ही बहुत बड़े प्रधानमंत्री, 3-3, 4-4 लोग बने. राइट, फिर भी अपना खुद का घर का एमपी सीट हार के आए सर वो. राइट, यूपी में. तो दैट्स व्हाट योर अप्रोच शुड बी करेक्ट. डजंट मैटर व्हाट्स बैकग्राउंड यू आर फ्रॉम. गेटिंग, यू आर फ्रॉम जियागोड़ा or you are from Delhi or somewhere else. That doesn't matter. Your approach should be proper one. Right? But most of the people in our locality will focus on the mug-upping type of work. And that's never going to help you to get into NEET, IIT, anything like CA. Right? I want to see most of you could go through those competitive and professional courses. खाली डिग्री करके रखना कुछ काम नहीं आएगा लाइफ में. राइट, क्लियर. कुछ प्रोफेशनल या कुछ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में भी रैंक लाना होगा नेशनल लेवल में. गेटिंग विद दिस पॉइंट एवरीवन? राइट, सो डोंट हैव दिस अप्रोच. during studies, during class, don't do any other work. Clear? Simply listen the class. Right, even not that also. Like rotating pen, doing like this, and beating heads. Right, eating nails. Right. That all is not a good way because your brain will work on it. So you cannot listen this properly. You may feel you are listening, but actually you are not listening. That's why some students will not understand during classes. Because maybe for a fraction of seconds, your brain had diverted. Getting with this? Maybe you're doing pen like this, something. Getting with this? So have the clear approach. One simple thing, listen with full concentration. Whatever may be the class, either here or in your schools. Everywhere you have to give the equal importance. Clear with this point, everyone? You have to. Yeah, look at here now, coordinate axes. See. So first of all, understand diagram very carefully. There is coordinate axis like this. Positive x, negative x. Negative y, positive y. So they are saying that there is one line segment AB which is meeting coordinate axes. So obviously they didn't say anything about positive first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant. So we should take in first quadrant only. Unless until mentioned. Right, 4 quadrants are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So nothing has been mentioned, so we'll consider in the first quadrant. Right. So one line segment is like this. It's going like this. So here it is meeting. Suppose here it's meeting now. So this point where it is meeting, we take it as A. This point where it is meeting on x-axis, we take it as B. Okay? And now you should consider here on y-axis x value will be 0. So this is 0, y. Always whenever point is on y-axis, x value will be 0. Y you should take it as y only. Because we don't know this value right now. So y only we should find out now in the coming process. On x-axis, y will be 0. So y part I am keeping 0. Getting with this? Y coordinate points. X coordinate point I should take it as x because I don't know its value right now. Getting with this? This is the line segment AB. What they are discussing in the question. Right? About this they are discussing in the question. Clear with this now? So whenever this line segment meeting in the coordinate axes, you have to be able to draw a diagram like this. Right? After this only you could be able to solve the problem. Clear? Okay, now clear with the first point of this question? Next, if point 3, 6 divides AB in the ratio of 2:3. So there is one point P. Its value is 3, 6. It is dividing this line in the ratio of 2:3. So getting idea? So what have been given? Okay, little bit details I am writing this as we have only one such type of question. P 3, 6 given M1 is to M2 given that is 2 is to A 0, y not given. We should find out. That's why question mark. Right. B x, 0 we don't know. That's why question mark. Is it clear all of you now? Right. So finally, as it's the last problem, we'll write the formula once again. Recollect everyone. M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2. M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Right. This is our formula. Okay, remembered all of you? Yes. Right, now we'll start solving the problem. See, we know Px, y is given as 3, 6. So we write 3, 6. Right side. Getting what I'm doing? Simply keeping the bracket so that we can fill it correctly later on. M1, how much? 2, 3, 2, 3. X2, see here everyone. everyone. A will take x1, y1. Right. And okay, here we'll take. A will take x1, y1, B we will take always. AB means A will be x1, y1, B will be x2, y2. So, our x2 is how much? X. Our x1 is 0. Our y2 is 0. Our y1 is y. So again we may have to equate the corresponding parts. Right, okay, that we can understand now. You understood now. This is the new one. This is not, nothing is new after this. Getting with this? So now 3 comma 6, 2 into x, 2x, plus 3 into 0, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into y, 2 plus 3, 5. Now equate corresponding parts. Okay. 3 equal to 2x plus 0, 2x only by 5. Here 6 is equal to 0 plus 3y, 3y by 5. Now 5 will go upside now because it is in denominator, left side it will become the part of numerator. Here it is in division, left side it will come in the case of multiplication. Right, clear? 3 into 5 is equal to 2x. 3 into 5, 15 is equal to 2x. We need only x. So 15 will be here only, 2 will come here. See, multiplication, it is in multiplication now? Here it becomes division. So whenever multiplication changes to division, division part changes to multiplication, plus will remain plus, minus will remain minus. Getting with this? Whenever addition part comes to left side, subtraction part goes to right side, like this. If exchange happens between addition and subtraction, then plus will become minus, minus will become plus. But if it happens between into and multiplication, multiplication and division, plus will remain plus, minus will remain minus. That's why 2 is plus now. Here also I am writing plus only. I am not making it minus because it is in multiplication. Getting this point, everyone? Right, same thing we'll do here also now. 5 will go this side. 6 into 5 is equal to 3y. 6 5 is 30 is equal to 3y. 3 will come down. 3 1s are 3 10s are. So therefore, a 0 comma y is equal to how much? 0 comma 0, you should write 0 only. Y how much? 10. So that means this is 0 comma 10. Okay? That point is 0 comma 10. B, x comma 0. X you write x value 15 by 2. 0 you write 0 only. Clear? So this is 15 by 2 comma 0. 15 by 2 in the sense 7.5. In graph you may have to convert into decimals. Clear with this? Right? So understood everyone with this? Clear up to this? Understood this part? This is important. This you have done already many times. Right. Observe for 3 minutes everyone. Observe completely.